Welcome my dear students. In standard 7 class we learn subject maths. Chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. We learn part number 4.6. In this part we learn the exterior angles of triangles, the property of exterior angles. The exterior angle of a triangle. In the side BC of triangle ABC extended as shown in the figure. An angle ACD is formed which lies outside the triangle. Interior angle is C. Here I extend line AC, make other exterior angle BC. I extended angle line AB. Here make one another exterior angle ACD, angle BSP, angle CBQ. Here are also three angles, exterior angles of a triangle ABC. Now I know on extended one side of a triangle, the angle obtained which form a linear pair with the adjacent interior angle of the triangle is called an exterior angle of the triangle. In the figure alongside, all exterior angles of a triangle are shown. I draw triangle and AB, CD, EF are the exterior angles of a triangle PQR. In the same way, every triangle has 6 exterior angles. Let's learn the property of an exterior angle of a triangle. त्रिकोणाच्या बाह्यकोनाचा गुणधर्म. In the figure alongside, angle PRS is an interior angle. The property of exterior angle of triangle. Angle PRS is a exterior angle. Angle P and angle Q are called the remote interior angles of PRS. म्हणजे दूरस्थ अंतरकोन आहेत कोन P आणि कोन Q. Measure angle P plus measure angle Q plus measure angle R is equal to 180 degree. The sum of three angles of triangle. त्रिकोणाच्या तीन कोनांच्या मापांची बेरीज 180 अंश असते. Here PRS and PRQ are linear pair angles as well as supplementary angles. Measure angle PRS plus measure angle PRQ is 180 degree. Angles in a linear pair measure angle R is 70 degree. Measure angle R plus measure angle PRS is 180 degree. Solve this equation. 70 plus PRS is equal to 180. PRS is equal to 110 degree. Angle R is 70 degree and measure angle P and Q is 110 degree. Is equal measure PRS because they are PRS is exterior angles and PQ is interior angles. 110 degree. Now I know the measure of an angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. Practice set 21. Question 1. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measures of angle A and angle B are equal. If measure angle ACD is equal to 140 degree, find the measures of an angle A and angle B. I write down one rough figure. Solution: angle A and angle B is BX. Angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. Property of exterior angle. X plus X is equal to 140. 2x is equal to 140. Divided by 2, 2 side. 2 ones are 2. X is equal to 70 degree. X is 70 degree. Here we have got the measurements of angle A and angle B is equal measures 70 degree and angle C is 40 degree. Sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Question 2. Using the measures of the angle given in the figure alongside, find the measures of the remaining three angles. Using the measures of a angle given in the figure alongside. Here I have drawn the figure and the measurements are written in the figures. Find the measures of angles BOC, angle EOD and angle AOF. Angle EOD is vertically opposite angle of AOB, that measure is 8y, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Six y is vertically opposite angles. Write down measurement of 6y and 4y. Three angles is in a linear pair angles 6y, angles in a linear pair. Sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Therefore 6y plus 8y plus 4y is equal to 180 degree. Angles in a linear pair. Here I solve this equation. 6y plus 8y plus 4y is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these three angles is 18y is equal to 180 divided by 18. 18 ones are 18. 18 tens are 180. Y is equal to 10. Here got measurement of y. Y is equal to 10 degree. We get measurement of y. We will get able to measurement all the other angles. 6y is equal to 6 into 10, 60 degree. Angle AOF is 60 degree. 8y, 8 into 10 is 80 degree. Angle AOB is 80 degree. 4y, 4 into 10 is equal to 40 degree. Angle BOC is 40 degree. In this way, we write down all these angles measures 60 plus 80 plus 40, 180 degree. These three angles in a linear pair angles, their sum of these three angles is 180 degree. In this way, we got all the measurements of all angles: 80 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree. We were asked to measure the three angles in the question. Three angles are angle ABOC is equal to 40 degree, angle EOD is equal to 80 degree, and angle AOF is equal to 60 degree. Question 3. In the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and angle B are equal. Angle ACD is exterior angle of the triangle ABC. The measure of the angle ACB and ACD are 3 minus 2 70 and 8x plus 10 respectively. Also find the measures of angle A and angle B. Here I draw a rough figure isosceles triangle म्हणजेच समद्विभुज त्रिकोण. समद्विभुज त्रिकोणात दोन भुजा समान मापाच्या असतात. Angle ACB and angle ACD angles in a linear pair. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Find the value of x, then we find these two angles measures. Find the value of x. I write down this equation: angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. 3x minus 70, 8x plus 10 is equal to 180 degree. Like terms write down in one bracket. 3x plus 8x, 11x plus minus 7 is equal to 180. 11x plus is equal to 180 plus 7 divided by 11x plus 187 divided by 11. 11 1 za 11, 11 1 za 11, 11 7 za 77. X is equal to 17. We were got measurement of x. Angle ACB is equal to 3x minus 17. 3x into 17 minus 17, 51 minus 17, 34 degree. Angle ACB is 34 degree. We got angle ACD measurement. 136 plus 10, 146. Measurement of ACD is 146. We got two measurements angles of two in linear pair angles. Find the value of angle A and angle B. These two angles is equal measures. Angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD. Property of an exterior angle of triangle. X plus x 146. 2x is equal to 146 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6. X is equal to 73. We were got measurements of three angles: angle A, angle B and angle C. Sum of these three angles is 180 degree. 146 plus 434, 180 degree. The two angles are linear pair angles. In this part, we learn the exterior angle of triangle, the property of an exterior angle of triangle, and practice set 21. Thus, we are cover fourth number chapter. Let's meet again to solve question paper number 4. So, let's get ready to solve the question paper number 4. धन्यवाद. Thank you.